lovely boat Tanja. And we anticipate rain here in the afternoon. As you can see here, the wood is pretty rotten. Spring project before we put her in the lake, and there is of course some work to do. As you can see inside here in the helm, we have wood here that looks a bit wasted, I would say. So we have to clean it off, paper it, and put some varnish on it. And also here, upside here, needs to be fixed and new paint. And we have here also a wooden piece that needs to be replaced. It's rotten here. This piece needs to be replaced and varnished all over the inside here. And if we go down to the cabin, so to speak, we have also some work to do here. Put on some new curtains and some painting also inside here. And inside here we have a project where we need to actually do some heavy duty repair. As you can see here, the wood is pretty rotten. It's soft in here and also there. So this needs to be cut it off and replaced. So that's some of the work that needs to be done. Work in progress. It's very good to have two doors. Ralph is not helping at all. Okay, so I have been running this. Mother, completely rotten. And now I'm gonna cut out this half piece here. Ja, vad är kaffe eller? Är det kaffe? Jag håller på att ta gammalt rötet trä här. All right. Jesus. Yeah, now I'm gonna try to see if the faint work has made some magic. All right. Perfect. Almost. My father was a carpenter. He taught me all this stuff about working in wood, and it was actually not before I was like maybe 40, 45 or something. I really appreciated to work with wood. I mean, if you compare it to a plastic boat, glass fiber. A wooden boat is very soft and humble in the sea, and it moves more smoother and quieter. It's nature to nature, and you can easily notice the difference. So I recommend you, if you're a pretty handy guy or a woman, don't hesitate to buy a wooden boat, because you can manage. It's easy to repair. No problem. Almost there. Okay, let's have a look. So there we have it. There's actually the same problem in this area here. Rotten wood. Water has been coming down for many years, so I have to do the same repair. Here you can see the aft of the boat. It's a 33-foot wooden boat, so it's quite big. And the toilet is pretty roomy, I would say. Could almost have a shower in here. I believe the owner who did this boat, he had a shower, I heard, at least. Yeah, here's the kit. Otherwise the boat is in a really good shape, except for some areas which have been neglected for many years. So I have to do the same with this. That rib here, you see, it's rotten. Yeah, so that has to be done in the same manner. Okay, now I'm gonna have coffee and a cookie. Hello. Alright, so I'm back here, a couple of days rest at home, and well, you know, from the back side I got this big bar from the roof up here on the other side. Now I have to remove this complete board here. You can saw also up here, very smooth. You can use it to it is so on this side right now, on the upper side. Ah, shit. I have to remove the list, otherwise I will destroy it. There are always something else to remove. When you start to remove something in the boat, you suddenly notice that it's layer upon layer, and you have to remove it piece by piece. Okay? It's obviously some glue here inside, I suppose. Hola, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Jonas. Now it's yeah. Ooh la la. Rare. I got an extra window. So here I have cut out. So this is going to be replaced, but of course in the end here also rotten. Maybe not all the way in, but oh, maybe, yeah. So I have to cut it from maybe there. Not nice. It's very soft. You can see here. Oh no. deep breath. Ah, mamma mia. Yeah, then it looks like this. Interesting. Yeah. This is how we use a chainsaw. Okay, we are removing more and more. So here is actually what you see now. Directly above here is the teak deck. So this is the carrier for the teak deck, marine plywood. Pretty thick, but when it's wet and rotten, it's not good. No way at all. Go in gym and practice, but I got my stomach and abnormal and whatever its name is by doing this exercise, the squad boat exercise. You can do some extra if you like this, if you don't get that much exercise during the day. Frigolit, as we call it here. Kaput. Take the next rib. Pretty bad also here. Soft. And soft. We have been removing a lot of woods that has been rotten here, as you can see. This bolt here is away, and now I'm gonna chop off this one because it's not perfect. No, it's a bit soft actually. Here we can see the bright daylight coming in. That's where the water comes in. That's gonna be sealed off. The width of that one, I'm going to chop off all the way through here. Alright, man, now I have been working some with this, and it's finally maybe, there it is. So let's see, how did I cut this? Yeah, that's the one. So I'm gonna need to remake a new one of this one. Yeah, complete. Nice. And you can have the shape of it when you remake it. Okie dokie. So now I'm have to do remake it. Oh la la. It's gonna be interesting. First time renovating a wooden boat. Work in progress, I would say. So I'm standing here at the Blåsutvarvet, and I'm going to glue a couple of wooden pieces together. So here is our little shop in the marina. Very nice place to hang around and take a beer with the friends. And inside here we have the wooden shop, or where we can create all kind of stuff. Yeah. Here it was historically made a lot of wooden boats in the from 1910 to, or maybe earlier, 1800 something to 1950. Alright, so we started the repainting of the lovely boat Tanja.